What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube channel. In this video I want to talk about more about the SAM funnel, the Clickfunnels affiliate grabber, and how people are earning a lot of money with this exact funnel that I'm about to talk about to you today. So if you're serious about making some money online, this is the right video for you. If you're serious about making money with Clickfunnels and affiliate marketing, this is the right tool for you. As you can see, this is just a sample of somebody's earning that's using the SAM funnel. I think I should have more. I've got some more, because I don't want to go into people's accounts and show you what people are getting. So as you can see, somebody saying the SAM funnel so far in 30 days. This is somebody's results using SAM funnel after 30 days. And this is another guy saying, here are my results after 20 days since I started running traffic to SAM funnel, and he's been getting some daily returns. Here's another guy, day 6 results, the SAM funnel is lit, 35 trials, worth 2,300 USD. So it's a potential earning of that you could get for running a SAM funnel. So if you aren't promoting Clickfunnels yet, I would encourage you to start right away. If you haven't gotten the Clickfunnels account, I'd advise you to get one. I'll leave a link in the description. So what's gonna happen here is I've got some extra bonuses for you guys that join using my link. I'll leave a link in the description to join Clickfunnels for you to start earning these types of results. So here's an extra bonus. Here's what you're going to get after signing up with the link below that I'll leave in the description. If you get a free done for you SAM funnel that will help you earn affiliate commission. Once you do that, you can contact me. You can leave a comment in the description. So what I would want you to do, if you are able to go to the link down right now in the description, go sign up for a Clickfunnels account, come back and we can start the process. I'll send you a link to where you can get the free SAM funnel, and I'll set it up for you. You just have to tell me saying, okay, I've signed up, and comment a link in the description to, just leave a comment in the description saying I signed up, and I'll be able to follow you up. I'll give you some extra details about that. Or immediately after you sign up, you get an email from me. After you opt in and sign up, you get an email from me, and I'll set up your account for free, and I'll give you some best free traffic sources that you can use to get the best results. As you can see, this guy spent should be about $500 and got this. And there's this other guy. Let me try and find, where is that? Yeah, here. He spent $500 and he's got a potential return of 900 USD. So this is through some of the really good traffic relationships that I've had with some guys that are offering solo ads and all that. I've got some really good discounts for you guys that sign up under my links. So I would encourage you to go and sign in. Then once you've done that, I'll send you a link also to the free private group that you can utilize to start getting these type of results. All these people that you see with these results are in my group, and they are making daily cash just through the SAM funnel. So here's the funnel. These are the stages. You come here, you opt in, then you go to second page, where after you sign up, you you get your affiliate account, which is here. Sign up for Clickfunnels, takes less than a minute. And you're gonna go to the next step where you're gonna import the funnel after you've signed up. Then from here on, if you have any issues setting up everything, I can help you set up everything, swap out your affiliate links for yours and all that thing. I'll give you links to some traffic sources that you can utilize and get commissions for people that you also get to sign under you. So I'll give you a traffic source that's really high quality with good returns. Then finally here is the free training that you guys should get. So on top of that, I forgot saying you can get free training. So this is the link. This right here, when you reach this stage in this funnel, is a link where you can get a free training on Clickfunnels and using the funnel and everything that you need to get money and start earning with affiliate marketing in Clickfunnels. So here's the group. You can join the group using that link. So here's the sum funnel. This is the exact funnel that I'm going to give you. It's a done for you funnel. All you have to do here is come once you get everything and sign up for your Clickfunnels account under my link that I'll leave in the description. You come here, you go through these steps, you get this funnel, I'll send it to you. Come here, I'll give you some links to some really good traffic sources that I know personally that people are getting really good results with. And you can come here, you can get, if you need anything, one funnel away challenge is a really good place to start. The 10x secrets, these are this is the sales training on how you can better get yourself earning with Clickfunnels. This is the challenge that you want to take right here. So I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video. I'll do an in-depth of how to set up everything. In case you want to set up everything, you just want to get dirty and all that and get to learn what Clickfunnels is. This is Affiliate Center. This is where you get your affiliate links and everything. It's a good resource. So again, what you want to do is you want to get my bonuses. You want to go to the link down in the description of this video, sign up for a free Clickfunnels account. They've got a 14-day trial. Comment in the description saying I signed up, and I'll send you a link to the sum funnel. I'll set up it for you if you need any help setting it up. I'll give you some free resources, some free traffic relationships that I have with high quality traffic to get you commissions like this, because you need traffic for you to get such commissions, guys. If you want to start earning right, hit the ground running, you need the right traffic sources, and I have exactly that. So the next thing you want to do is get a free training. It should be at the end right here, this page. You come here, get the free training, and you also get to join the free Facebook group where you can get immediate help if you need help with anything at all. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. I'll be working on another video where I'll be going through the sum funnel, how to set it up and how to get it running, the autoresponders and everything. So this is all about the sum funnel. People are earning insane amounts of cash with it. So thanks very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.